Here I have VIVO X51 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the system section, then reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset. Then tap delete all data, and then tap delete all data one more time to confirm whole operation. And after that your device will be restarted within a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.